let's start with arguably the biggest transformation on this build, the all-new TAAIBOS Gen 7 Front Bumper. Now this bumper completely changes the look of this Isuzu, and while adding some serious protection where it matters the most. Now one thing we're incredibly proud of is that we've designed this bumper to work with the vehicle and not against it. That means all your factory parking sensors remain fully functional and the radar systems continue operating exactly as they should. And there's no need to sacrifice modern technology just because you want a serious off-road bumper. The bumper also features integrated LED fog lights, a heavy-duty recovery points, and a provision for either an integrated LED light bar or auxiliary spotlights depending on how you want to build your vehicle. Now for customers wanting a winch setup, we've also offered a dedicated winch mounting system that keeps everything neat while maintaining airflow and the approach angle. Everything has been engineered to give you the confidence whether you're towing, traveling rough roads or spending weekends exploring the bush. And of course, it's a locally manufactured right here in South Africa. Moving up to the roof rack, we fitted the TAAIBOS roof rack, designed with both practicality and everyday driving in mind. This roof rack features a modular design allowing you for your setup to suit your specific adventure. Whether you carry camping gear, recovery equipment, rooftop tent accessories, or additional luggage, you can configure the rack to work for your needs. One of the standout features is its low-profile design. It sits neatly on the vehicle, giving the Isuzu a clean, factory-inspired look while also helping to reduce wind resistance and wind noise during everyday driving, because we know that can make you mad. The roof rack is also lightweight, helping to minimize unnecessary weight on the vehicle while still providing the strength and durability needed for demanding African conditions. Like all our products, it's designed to be both functional and visually appealing, complementing the lines of the Gen 7 Isuzu, while giving you the flexibility to build your vehicle exactly the way you want it. So whether you're heading out on an overlanding trip, a hunting weekend, or simply just need extra carrying capacity, the TAAIBOS roof rack is built to handle it all. Moving down the side of the vehicle, we fitted our heavy-duty rock sliders. These aren't simple side steps. They're designed to protect one of the most vulnerable parts of your vehicle when going off-road. Whether you're crossing ruts, climbing obstacles, or squeezing between rocks, the sliders help prevent expensive damage to your sills. And at the same time, they provide a practical step into the vehicle without compromising on your ground clearance. And let's be honest, they also look really well. And like all TAAIBOS products, they're powder coated for long-lasting durability and built to withstand the South African conditions. Finishing off the build is our all-new TAAIBOS rear bumper for the Gen 7 Isuzu. And just like the front bumper, the rear bumper has been designed to offer the maximum protection without compromising on the factory features that make the Gen 7 Isuzu such a capable vehicle. All of our factory parking sensors remain fully operational and the rear radar system continues to function as intended, giving you complete confidence when reversing or maneuvering into tight spaces. For those who use the Isuzu for work, towing or weekend adventures, we've also designed the bumper with practicality in mind. It features integrated tow hitch compatibility along with OEM-style trailer plug mounting points for both your trailer, electrical connector and towing socket, keeping everything neatly positioned, protected and easily accessible. Whether you're towing, camping trailer, boat, horse box or work trailer, the setup is clean, functional and built for everyday use. And that's our complete TAAIBOS Gen 7 Isuzu build. From the front bumper, rear bumper to the rock sliders and the roof rack, every product has been designed to enhance your vehicle's capability without compromising its factory features. If you're ready to start your own build, get in touch with the TAAIBOS team. We'd love to help you bring your vision to life. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss our latest build, product launches and adventures. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next one.